Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be talking about the raw video in this $150 camera. So this camera is the Canon EOS-M, and you can find this for about $150, maybe $150 to $200 on eBay, used of course. And by itself, it does not come with raw video, but what you just have to download is Magic Lantern, install that software into your SD card, and I'll show you how to put on raw right now. All right, so once you've powered on Magic Lantern, what you do is you double tap the screen, you go over to the 8th area or whatever menu, and you just scroll down to MLV Lite and MLV Rec, and you can turn on both of those. Those are both different versions of the raw video. And then fire it up and you're ready to go. Magic Lantern is really great. It has a bunch of other different settings. It has zebras, histograms. It can show you a bunch of different specs that you wouldn't have unless you had this downloaded. And it's really great. If you have this camera, 100% recommend downloading it. So let's get into the raw video right now.
Nothing the gang, plop, plop, popping out, bang.
Made of star stuff.
Alright, so I just shot all that. It's a really snowy day. Got some good footage in my opinion. I mean, it's not good, it's good sample footage. So let's get right into Final Cut and see how those raw clips can be graded. Alright, so we're here in Final Cut Pro. I'm just going to choose a clip that I think would be good. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to stabilize this clip. Now let's get into color grading. First I'm going to curves. I'm going to adjust the curves. I'm going to go to wheels. I'm going to cool the whole clip down. Okay, that's really, for what it is, it's pretty good. I'm not going for a good color grade, of course. I'm just seeing how much I can flex this clip. So let's see how much we can get out of this. Okay, that's a lot worse. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna apply a LUT. See how well it handles under those. Handles the LUTs really well. There's noise right there though. So honestly, I think it handles pretty well. For $150, I'm not complaining. It was really cheap. Magic Lantern's free, so I'm thinking I'm gonna toy around with this more. But honestly, right now, I think it's worth it. I would buy it if you had $150 laying around. Buy it, download this, play around with it. I think I'm gonna use this as a B cam net from now on. I get more lenses for it too, because right now I'm just rocking the 18 to 55 kit lens. I'd get it if I was you. So that's my look into Canon EOS-M $150 raw video. If you like it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Share it with a friend if you thought it was helpful or cool, or if you just want to share it with a friend, that'd help us out a lot. See you next time.